We don't need you in here. Get out of here.
All right, welcome to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel. Today, Chef Dom's going to show you how to make this fabulous Italian spiced chicken. It's Dominic's recipe. It is out of this world. We've been eating this for a long time. It's very affordable. You know, it's just chicken thighs and legs, but it is out of this world. All right, let's get cooking.
Halloween is coming up soon.
Yes.
Cycle.
All right, we got chicken thighs.
Got some chicken thighs and some chicken legs here. We're gonna salt and pepper them.
Real important note, you want to rinse this chicken off in cold water and you want to dry it.
Yeah.
Because this will help keep the skin nice and crispy when you're cooking it.
Yeah, Paul's been doing his homework. I always wash chicken, man, you know, you have to.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm getting a little slow in my old age.
All right, we all are.
All right, we're gonna put a little olive oil in here just to get the chicken going. That's Paul's buddy right there. I haven't met this guy yet, but...
Luigi. We're using Luigi's olive oil today. He sells it at Jimmy's food store out in Dallas.
He must be a great guy. He's Italian.
Yeah.
This is a sound you don't want to hear when you're hungry.
Right?
I feel so freaking starving.
Salt and pepper the other side. Yeah, there you go. How long are we going to cook that for?
Well, we're just going to get the skin really nice and a little crispy. You know, seared good. And then, you know, then you cook it the rest of the way in the oven. All right, we're going to turn these over now because we're also going to let these roast in the oven on 400 for about 30 minutes or so. Looking good already. Beautiful. All right, we're going to take this chicken out of here now, guys.
All right, now we're going to cook up the rest of this chicken. All right, second batch is ready.
We're feeding an army.
Yeah.
Just 4 people, well, like 6 people altogether, 7 maybe. All right, you know what? We're gonna throw these whole potatoes in here and fry them off for a couple of minutes. With a nice chicken stock. Salt and pepper in there. All right, we're gonna make the sauce now. We got some garlic, fresh rosemary, parsley, a little chicken stock, fresh lemons, Dijon mustard, a little thyme, and salt and pepper, and I left it over there. Okay, we're gonna start out a marinade for the chicken. It's got some garlic here. Smash it up. Chop it up a little bit. All right, we're gonna put this in the bowl. We got some fresh rosemary. All right, we got some Dijon mustard.
Is that great popcorn?
I love Dijon mustard, man. Yeah. Actually, I love all mustard. My refrigerator's full of mustards from all
types. Yeah.
The spicier, the better.
Parsley. This is Italian parsley, folks.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
Yes, it is. Salt.
Black pepper.
Pepper. We got some thyme. Okay.
We got some chicken stock there. Check those potatoes.
Little chicken stock. Yeah, I put it on low. What else we got to put in there? I forgot.
Lemon.
Some lemon and a little bit of oil. Very easy.
Beautiful.
Now we're gonna put some lemon in here. All right, we're gonna put our chicken in the tray now. That's enough for us to eat, huh?
Yeah. All right. Chef Dom cut some of those potatoes in half. What I like about these potatoes is that you don't have to peel them. They have a very thin skin.
I never, even the big potatoes I cut up and leave the skin on there.
Yeah.
Good for you.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Very healthy for you. All right, now we're just gonna pour this on the top.
Nice.
And that's it.
Right.
And then we're gonna put some
Lemon slices.
some lemon slices on the chicken, a few pieces, and that's it. Now we're gonna roast it in the oven. I don't know, for about 30, 40 minutes.
We'll check it after 30.
All right, guys, we're gonna throw this in the oven soon. And also, too, Paul and I want to thank you. We're almost hit 50,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for all the support for our channel. We love doing this.
Yes.
If you haven't subscribed, please do.
Yes, it helps our channel for sure.
Now we're gonna throw this in the oven
Nice.
for about 30, 40 minutes.
All right.
Out of 400. No lid on it.
We'll be back. All right, we're almost ready to eat. We got our homemade garlic sticks here. We're gonna show you how to make these wonderful garlic sticks on our next video. We're gonna go ahead and brush it with some garlic and butter.
It looks good.
Baste these with lots of our garlic. Like I said, we're gonna show you how to make these excellent sticks on our next video. All right, now I got 50% salt and 50% granulated garlic. And then I got some beautiful Parmesan cheese. Oh, look at that, man. Oh, shoot. This is gonna go great with the chicken, I guarantee it. All right, check out the chicken. Oh, man, that looks fantastic. That looks wonderful.
Oh, man, that's gonna be good. We're gonna give it a little Jack touch. My friend,
yeah.
Jack Chaplin, may he rest in peace.
Absolutely.
Green onions.
Yeah, you need to visit Jack Chaplin's YouTube channel, Cooking with the Blues. Oh man, look at that.
He was one of the greatest chefs I've ever known.
Yes, excellent. All right, let's eat. All right, let's dig into this feast.
Pour some of that
potatoes.
few potatoes on there, some of that beautiful juice on the chicken, man.
Yeah, this is gonna go great with the garlic rolls for sure. Some garlic rolls.
Yes.
Thank you. And some of this
Garlic
delicious
sticks.
salad with my wife's homemade salad dressing. She won't give me the recipe. Just kidding. Anyway, let's give this chicken a taste here. The skin is nice and crispy. Oh my God. Out of this world, folks. You have to try this recipe. It is absolutely delicious. Oh my God. That is really, really, really excellent. We're gonna have this recipe in our next video. You're gonna love it. It complements any meal.
Sorry guys, I'm hungry.
Anyway, we appreciate the subscribers and we'll see you guys next time.
Thank you.